making accurate assessments.
While AI offers many benefits for welding inspection, it's important to be aware of its limitations.
One challenge is the need for a large amount of high-quality data to train the AI algorithms effectively.
Another limitation is that AI systems are still under development. They may not be able to handle every possible welding scenario or defect type.
Finally, ethical considerations are crucial. It's important to ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and do not replace human workers entirely.
AI is set to revolutionize the welding industry. By integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can optimize welding parameters in real time, ensuring precision and consistency that was previously unattainable. This transformation is not just about improving efficiency, but also about enhancing the quality of welds, reducing defects, and minimizing waste. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more accurate, efficient, and reliable welding inspection systems. These systems will be able to detect minute flaws that human inspectors might miss, ensuring that every weld meets the highest standards of safety and durability. This level of precision is crucial for industries where even the smallest defect can lead to catastrophic failures.
These systems will make our critical infrastructure safer and more durable. By continuously monitoring the integrity of welds, AI can predict potential failures before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance and repairs. This predictive capability is a game changer for industries such as aerospace, automotive and construction, where safety is paramount. AI will help address the shortage of skilled inspectors. By providing tools and training, AI can enhance the capabilities of human inspectors, making them more effective and efficient in their roles. This collaboration between human expertise and AI technology will ensure that the highest standards of quality and safety are maintained.
Collaborative robots, guided by AI, could even perform welding and inspection tasks autonomously. These robots can work alongside human welders, taking on repetitive and dangerous tasks, thereby reducing the risk of injury and increasing overall productivity. The synergy between human workers and AI-driven robots will redefine the future of welding. The future of welding is exciting. With continuous advancements in AI and robotics, we are on the brink of a new era where welding processes are smarter, safer, and more efficient than ever before. This technological evolution promises to bring about significant improvements in quality, safety, and productivity across various industries.
AI is playing a key role in making this vital process smarter, safer, and more efficient. By integrating AI into every aspect of welding, from planning and execution to inspection and maintenance, we are paving the way for a future where welding is not only more effective, but also more sustainable and reliable.